Oh, the whole school. Wow, and this is a weekend as well, mind you. This is epic. I've got no idea what we're going to do today. We've just launched down at Warina. We're going to punch it this way, cruise down the coast, explore heaps of cool spots. Might jump out at a few beaches, have a bit of a dive, have a bit of a fish. Look, I just don't know. I don't know. I'm just going to do whatever I decide to do. It's just one of those days, make the most of it. It's probably lunchtime at the moment, so I've got the whole afternoon up my sleeve. I can't wait. Check this out. So good. Right, let's get the hammer down. Let's go fishing. Nice. The initial plan was to do some inshore fishing, have a look for flatties, whiting, squid, all the normal general sort of stuff, because it was just so glassy and scenic along the coastline. I got the drone up, did a few nice shots, all that sort of stuff. But then my mate Jason came along and he pulled up alongside, and his plan was to go chase the tuna down at Jervis. Me being me, I thought, why not? I'll jump on, let's go for a trip, shoot down there, glassy as, took us no time to get down. And when we got there, we had the place to ourselves. There was not a single boat other than us, and everywhere you looked, there was just tuna workup, bust up. And if you couldn't see them and you couldn't see the birds, you'd be able to hear them because it was that calm. It would just carry for miles. You'd know exactly where it was, and bang, you'd go out there. It was sensational. So the school's pretty scattered at the moment. They're popping up all over the place. So what I'm looking for is a couple of hunting fish. They're kind of popping up here and there, and then looking at the way they're going and putting a lure straight in their face. Yeah, they're not real schooled up, but that's all right. We'll still find them. They're around this general area. So if I keep the boat in gear, cruise around, don't drive right through the middle of them, should be able to find a couple. Could be trolling too, but this is just a lot more fun. Oh yeah, good school over there. Good school. Yeah, busting up just out the back of Jason there. You see him, a couple jumping just in front of me here. Oh, Jason's on. Come on. Yep. We're on. We're on. Yeah, boy. Oh, tuna on the cast. Whew. That was a bit of a steam all the way from Warina here, but found some tuna busting up on the surface, and we're on. Look at him go. Woo. Woo. Oh my God, he's just steamrolling me. He is steamrolling me. I'm only on, I'm only on 15-pound gear here, so not real heavy. Gonna take a little while to get him in though. He's down nice and deep. They're over there. Jason, they're over there. Oh, now he's coming up. Take a bit of drag off him now. They always tend to act up by the boat. Now, unfortunately, I didn't really come with a decent sized net. And this is probably one of my bigger ones. Oh, he is a good fish. He is a good fish. Look at that. See if I can do this solo. In my baby net. Oh, yes. There we go. Whew. Check him out. Yeah, boy. All right, let's get that hook out of you, bro. All right, let's get him back in the water. Yoink! Off it goes. Nice, let's get a couple more. Basically, we're chucking little stick baits like this. We're hooking up left, right and center on the surface, which is, in my opinion, the best way of fishing. If you can see a fish, put a stick bait to it, get hooked up, fight that fish. What's there not to love about that? Still trying to eat lunch. There's tuna everywhere. We're gonna catch them. Oh, they're everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. I don't know where to cast. Oh. Oh, bust up, come on. One of them's got to take it. Yep, yep. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Just love getting them on top water. Oh, so good. Yee-hoo! Oh, these microwave rods just make light work of them though. Oh, good on you, Paul. Bluefin on microwaves. Phew. Oh, he's a big fish. Oh, it doesn't seem to bother him though. He should be alright. Let's get that hook out. He'll be fine. Relax, bro. Yeah. Go! Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the little bell. Really helps out the channel. Cheers. Oh, there's one right here. Here, he's right in front of me. Yeah. Oh, yes! Oh my god, that was epic. This is a good one too. Why is he coming to the surface? Why is he coming to the surface? Is there a shark after him? He's on the surface, man. Woohoo! Smoking! Oh, that was epic, man. That was just an underarm pitch, man. Yeah, always about finding the bait, man. Oh, no wonder. I got him in the tail. Oh, no. Yeah, he came and hooked it, like bit it. Now I've got him in the tail, look. It's getting back in. See you later, bro. Off he goes. Done. FOMO. We've all got a little bit of that in us. Fear of missing out. This is one of those days where I really shouldn't have gone fishing. I just had way too much on, but couldn't resist. The fear of what I was going to miss out on or what was going to unfold was just too compelling. I had to go. And you know what? In this particular case, I'm really glad I did. Oh, they're everywhere. They are everywhere. They don't want my rooster popper though. Oh, there we go. That was an eat. That was an eat. Yeah. Oh, doubles. Yeah, bro. Oh, shit. I think I hooked the big one, man. I was chucking a popper. Yeah, no, they're good, eh? Oh, this was a good fish, this one, man. It just went boom. I was chucking that little rooster. They're just all around the boat now, man. Just free swimming. Oh my God. This is awesome. I'm giving the V2 a good workout. Woo! Oh yeah. You know, one of these days, Jason, I might have to buy a bigger net. Oh, how good. When you can get the days when you can get the little boat out a little bit wide. Oh, magic. Oh, I'm sweating. Yeah, it's good fish. Oh, I'm gonna bruise this tomorrow. Oh. Definitely a good fish. I think I need a bigger net. No, I'll get him, I'll get him. Oh. Yeah, right. Yes. All right, buddy. You can go. I'm rooted. I've lost count. Unfortunately, I ended up with way too much footage to put on one video, so I'm just going to run a few highlights of several of the other hookups that didn't make it into this video, but you'll get an idea. The fishing was sensational. It was, yeah, mind-blowing. I can't wait till next season. All right, roll. Yep, yep. On the popper! Phew! Oh, he wants it, he wants it. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it. He missed it. Come on, come on, come on. On the surface, on the surface, on the surface. Come on, take it. Oh, the whole school. Come on, Tuna, he's on it, he's on it. Bird wants it. Tuna's on it. Yes, yes. Woo! Oh, hey, pull, snap. Oh, I love this. Let's go hook up again. Long distance released, even better. It's up on the surface. Oh, I missed it. Oh, look at that. No, I just torpedoed it. Yep, yep. Don't know why I haven't bothered doing this each summer. This is the first summer I really started targeting these guys, and oh man, it's a heap of fun. Oh, he's just a little one. Oh, he's going nuts. What the hell? Peter. And he's gone. That got him very close to anyway. Oh, missed him. Missed him, missed him. Got him, got him, got him. Yep. Oh. On. On. So much fun. Oh, such a rush. So much fun. Don't have to be diabetic to enjoy your jelly beans, I tell you. Oh, Paul. That's fine. I prefer a long range release anyway. Oh, yep, yep, yep. Going on the jig. Going on the jig. On the flea. On the tiny, tiny Gamoku. That was the session, bro. How bloody good. What? Now you got nothing to say.
I'm blown away. I can't believe how far up we are. We're right up.
Yeah. Oh!
Yeah.
Dude, this is like rapid bait.
I know, it's rapid bait just there. And
What
this fish just here.
What the hell? I didn't even realise we moved that far. Is that your last beer?
I've got another one here.
You got a spare beer?
Yes.
You're a legend.